Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat pancakes using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, and 2 eggs. You'll also need 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of vanilla extract to really bring out those amazing flavors. This simple combination creates a wholesome and tasty breakfast. Now, let's get blending. Add all your gathered ingredients into a blender. Process everything until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, making sure there are no large oat pieces left. This step is crucial for that perfect pancake consistency. Once blended, let your batter rest for about 5 minutes. This brief pause allows the oats to fully hydrate and the batter to thicken slightly, leading to fluffier pancakes. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And speaking of staying energized, cooking can be thirsty work. Stay refreshed and hydrated with an Oats water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drink cold while you whip up those delicious pancakes. You can find the link for the Oats bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they're beautifully golden brown. Serve warm with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.